Hi, Ellie here, and today we're showing the differences between the Ooni Volt 2 and the Ooni Volt 12. These are Ooni's indoor electric pizza ovens, but what's the real difference between them? We'll break down the technical specifications. The Ooni Volt 12 is Ooni's first electric oven, a great oven for indoor and outdoor use. And it hits 850 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 450 degrees Celsius. Fast forward to 2025 and Ooni engineers created a brand new oven, the Volt 2, which is smaller, smarter and packed with pizza intelligence tech. Both plug into a standard outlet and cook up to 12-inch pizza. So let's check out the specs. Starting with the size and design, the Volt 12's measurements and weight are up on the screen. It's insulated for heat retention with built-in handles for portability. Great if you're carrying it indoors or out. But the Volt 2, it's 30% smaller overall, shrinking down to fit snugly on your counter without dominating the space. And it's lighter too. Measurements are up on the screen. Comes in two colours, charcoal grey or polar white. If your kitchen's tight with space, the Volt 2 wins hands down because it is that much smaller. Let's check out the heating elements. Volt 2 has its redesigned elements and it nearly spans the entire top and bottom of the pizza oven, and that will help reduce those cold spots that the Volt 12 has with its smaller, rounder top element. I've also noticed when the Volt 12 is heating up, the element turns red, but on the Volt 2 it's still dark. The Volt 12 has independent top and bottom dials for manual tweaking, which is great if you want to have that control over the stone and the top heat cooking your pizza. On the other hand, the Volt 2 has adaptive sensors that can tweak the temperatures in real time, and the result is that you will get a more even cooked pizza with less turning or no turning required. Speaking of temperatures, both hit a high heat, 850 degrees, which is 450 degrees Celsius. Preheat times differ. I just did a test with the Volt 2 and the Volt 12 together. The Volt 12 hit 410 Celsius in that 30-minute test, and the Volt 2 hit 440 Celsius in that 30-minute test. Also, the Volt 2 has a boost mode that supercharges the top element for that extra level heat when you need it, and the Volt 12 has the boost on the stone should you need that extra heat on the stone. The Volt 12 keeps it analog with these adjustable dials, a built-in timer. You dial your temperature up in the old-fashioned way, turn it to whatever temperature you need for the pizza you're going to cook. But the Volt 2 goes digital with its touchscreen display and 3 one-touch presets: Neapolitan, thin and crispy and pan pizza, plus 2 custom slots to save your favourite pizza cooking styles, and it's got modes for proofing dough, oven baking, grilling and broiling. And it's got pizza intelligence, which is Ooni's system using sensors for a more stable, solid temperature cook to help you create a consistent, leopard-spotted, beautifully cooked pizza. If you would like to see more on the Volt 2 and the Volt 12 and how I've cooked in them, and looking in detail about the presets on the Volt 2, please check out my playlists, which are in the links below and at the end of the video. The Volt 2 has extra accessories. It's got a multi-purpose oven shelf, which helps with air circulation when you slide it into the grids on the side hanging above the pizza stone. So that's great for air circulation. And it's also got a dishwasher-safe grease smoke filter to keep your kitchen smelling nice. The oven will let you know when to change that. The Volt's triple-paned glass door locks in the heat, and the Volt 2's edge-to-edge 4mm tempered glass window gives you a much clearer view, perfect for watching your crusts cook. As you can see here, the light of the 2 is very different from the 12. The light from the 2 is much brighter, allowing you to see a lot more in the bigger window. The glow of the Volt 12 is slightly lower, more warmer, I would say. The Volt's window is smaller, so it's not as bright and as big as the 2. So that's a bonus for the 2. There's one caveat here. They're not the same ovens. The Volt 12 is an indoor and outdoor rated oven, so it's your all-season outdoor and indoor oven. The Volt 2 is strictly an indoor pizza oven. For most home cooks wanting a smart, space-saving, technical oven that can bake intelligently, the Volt 2 is the upgrade. It feels like the future. It looks like the future, and with its pizza intelligence, it behaves like the future. The pizza stone sizes are the same. I did test the 12 stone inside the 2 and it's exactly the same size. The main takeaways are they can both hit temperatures up to 450 Celsius. The Volt 2 has smarter controls, which is less guesswork, and it's a smaller oven, but with the same size pizza stone. The Volt 12 has more manual control, which may be more preferable. They are both versatile, but the Volt 2 is even more versatile because of the proofing of the dough and the tray that you can use for cooking other dishes. And with the Volt 2, you can just set it, press the function button and let it get on with it. You don't have to remember what temperature you need to cook your pizza on by moving a dial like you do on the 12. And finally, the price on the Volt 2 as it came out is lower than the Volt 12. I hope this video helped clarify the technical differences so you can choose the one that fits your space and your budget and your pizza cooking journey. So what do you think? Are you Team Volt 12 or are you upgrading to the 2? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you're new here, smash that bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!